In this video, I'll show you how to get the link to your Facebook page so you can easily share it with others. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the account that manages the page. Tap the menu icon in the corner of the screen, then tap Pages and select the page you want to get the link for. Once your page opens, look near the top of the page for the Share button and tap on it. A menu will appear with different sharing options. From this menu, tap Copy Link. Facebook will copy the page link to your phone's clipboard. After copying the link, you can paste it anywhere you want, such as in messages, emails, or other social media platforms. If you want to paste the link, simply open the place where you want to share it, press and hold in the text box, and tap Paste. This will insert your Facebook page link so others can tap it and visit your page directly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.